Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest advancements in AI technology to streamline your workflow and save you precious time. In today's video, we'll introduce you to 8 powerful new AI tools that are guaranteed to revolutionize the way you work. Let us dive in. Number 1 on our list is writeseed.com. This incredible tool can turn just 10 words into a whopping 10,000. Whether you need to generate content for your blog, social media, or any other writing project, writeseed.com harnesses the power of AI to create expansive and engaging text in no time. Imagine the hours you'll save by letting writeseed.com do the heavy lifting for you. It's a game changer for content creators and writers alike. Next up, we have gid.com. This innovative platform generates auto-generated video guides, making it a perfect tool for creating tutorials, instructional videos, and walkthroughs. Let the AI handle the video creation process, saving you hours of editing and recording. With gid.com, you can effortlessly create professional-looking videos without the need for complex editing software or recording equipment. It's like having your own video production team at your fingertips. Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect resume? Well, fret no more, because kickresume.com is here to help. This AI-powered tool takes the hassle out of resume writing by using advanced algorithms to generate a polished and tailored resume for you. Kickresume.com utilizes AI to analyze your skills, experience, and desired job position to create a resume that stands out from the crowd. It's a must-have tool for job seekers looking to make a strong impression. Say goodbye to unproductive meetings with tldv.io. This powerful tool supercharges your meetings by automatically summarizing discussions and providing actionable insights. No more wasting time on long and redundant meetings. tldv.io saves you hours by condensing hours of discussions into concise summaries, making it easier to track action items and stay focused. It's like having a personal meeting assistant by your side. Ever wished you could have a chat with an AI assistant while browsing the web? Well, now you can with ChatGPT-sidebar.com. This handy tool integrates ChatGPT into your web browser, allowing you to have conversational AI support on any website. ChatGPT-sidebar.com enhances your browsing experience by providing instant answers, recommendations, and assistance right at your fingertips. It's like having an AI companion to help you navigate the digital world. Designers, listen up. Magify.design is about to become your new best friend. This remarkable tool transforms text into stunning Figma designs. Simply input your text, and Magify.design generates visually appealing designs with just a few clicks. Magify.design streamlines the design process, saving designers hours of work. It's a fantastic resource for creating eye-catching visuals effortless. Struggling with finding the perfect prompts? Look no further than promptperfect.genre.re. This powerful tool optimizes your prompts to maximize AI model outputs. Whether you're using ChatGPT or any other language model, promptperfect.genre.re helps you fine-tune your prompts for optimal results. Designers, listen up. Magify.design is about to become your new best friend. This remarkable tool transforms text into stunning Figma designs. Simply input your text, and Magify.design generates visually appealing designs with just a few clicks. Magify.design streamlines the design process, saving designers hours of work. It's a fantastic resource for creating eye-catching visuals effortless. Struggling with finding the perfect prompts? Look no further than promptperfect.genre.re. This powerful tool optimizes your prompts to maximize AI model outputs. Whether you're using ChatGPT or any other language model, promptperfect.genre.re helps you fine-tune your prompts for optimal results. With promptperfect.genre.re, you'll spend less time experimenting with prompts and more time getting valuable insights and accurate responses from AI models. It's a must-have tool for anyone working with AI-powered applications. Last but certainly not least, we have Codium.com, the ultimate coding assistant. Codium.com leverages AI to provide intelligent code suggestions, error detection, and auto-completion, helping developers write code faster and more efficiently. Codium.com understands your coding context and offers real-time suggestions to enhance your productivity. It's an invaluable tool for developers looking to streamline their coding process. And there you have it, 8 powerful new AI tools that are guaranteed to save you hours of boring work. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the capabilities of AI technology. So, make sure to check them out and embrace the future of productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.